Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, here we have the question x power 4 equal to 64, and we have to find the value of the x. So in the first step, adding power 4 on both the sides, so we will have x power 4 whole power 4 equal to 64 power 4. There is a rule a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n, and that is also equal to a power n whole power m. So the same we are doing over here, x power 4 into 4. So this is m, x power 4 is m, and this is n. So we can write in this way. Here we have x power 4 whole power x power 4 equal to 64 power 4. 64 power 4 can be written as 8 square whole power 4 equal to 8 power 2 into 4 equal to 8 power 8. It means we can say that x power 4 whole power x power 4 equal to 8 power 8. Now here we have x power 4 whole power x power 4 equal to 8 power 8. Now there is a rule that when the bases and the exponents are same on both the sides, for example here we have base and the exponent same, and here we also have the base and the exponent same. So in that case we can eliminate the exponents, so we can say that x power 4 is equal to 8. So now adding root power 4 on both the sides, so radical 4 will be cancelled with the 4. So this is actually the value of the x. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.